Hello to all, I am Dr. Alkesh Agrawal, and in this lecture I'll mainly discuss about a 4-bit serial adder, and the same circuit can be converted into a 4-bit serial adder subtractor. So we'll discuss one by one. These are some reference books that include the book Digital Design authored by M. Morris Mano and M. Distillery. Another book is Modern Digital Electronics authored by R.P. Chen. So here you can see a 4-bit serial adder. Why it is called a 4-bit serial adder? So, so you can see this diagram is made very well, or in a way that it can be easily understood by the audience. So here you can see this is the first stage of full adder. If we revise our basic concept in the previous lecture, in one of my previous lecture I discussed about the design of a full adder. So a full adder have three inputs. So we have three inputs A0, B0 and C0, and two outputs. One is S0 and one is C1. So this is first stage comprising of first full adder. This is second stage, which is again comprising of a full adder. This is third stage, which is again consisting of a full adder, and this is the fourth stage, which again consists of a full adder. So we have four different stages from first stage to fourth stage, and each stage is adding one bit each of two numbers. So we have two numbers A and B. A is of 4-bit, which is being depicted with A0, A1, A2 and A3. Here you can see. So we have a 4-bit number with A0 as the least significant bit and A3 as the most significant bit, and we have number B, which is again of 4 bits with B0 as least significant bit and B3 as the most significant bit. So this first stage is adding A0 and B0 with some input carry which is coming from the previous stage. So because this is the first stage, so input carry will be null or 0. Then this second stage of full adder is adding A1 and B1 with the carry that is being propagated from the first stage. Then this third stage is adding A2 and B2 with the carry that is being propagated from the second stage. And then we have fourth stage of with the full adder, which is adding A3 and B3 and a carry C3 which is being propagated from the third stage. So like this this is a 4-bit serial adder. So why it is being termed as 4-bit serial adder? Because this circuit, combinational circuit, is adding two 4-bit numbers A and B, and that too in serial manner. Why serial manner? Because here first this C1 will be generated and propagated to next stage, then the C2 will be generated and propagated to the next stage, and then finally C3 will be generated and propagated to the final stage. So this is the final carry is being propagated serially, and that is why this is being termed as 4-bit serial adder. Now we'll discuss how it works. So we have taken an example in order to have a clear understanding. So this A3, which is a 4-bit number, is taken as 1 1 1 1. So we have this A3 is 1, A2 is 1, A1 is 1 and A0 is 1. We have taken another number B3, which is 0 1 1 0. So B3 is 0, B2 is 1, B1 is 1 and B0 is 1. Now first, if we concentrate on the first stage of full adder, C0 is 0 because nothing is coming from the previous stage, because this is the first stage. So when we add 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0, so we have 1 plus 0 plus 0, you can verify from here. So when 1 plus 0, sum will be 0 and sum will be 1, and no, the carry which is being forwarded on to the next stage will be 0. So how it comes out? We have exclusive OR value of 1 0 and 0. So exclusive OR value comes out to be 1. And we have carry. What is carry is A0 and B0, or B0 and C0, or C0 and A0. So here you can see all values, all terms are 0. That is A0 B0 is 0, B0 C0 is 0, and A0 and C0 is 0. So C1 is 0. Now in the second stage we have A1 is 1, B1 is 1, and C1 is 0. So what we have to add is 1 plus 1 plus 0. So when we add 1 plus 1 plus 0, we get sum 0, and carry is generated and propagated onto the next stage. How it comes out to be? 0 and 1. So we have exclusive OR value of 1, exclusive OR 1, exclusive OR 0, which is 0, and carry is 1 and 1, or 1 and 0, or 0 and 1. So 1 and 1 makes 1. So we have carry 1. So in the second stage we get sum 0 and carry, which is propagated onto the next stage. Now in this stage what we have to add is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the exclusive OR value 1 and 1 will be 1. So sum is 1, and we have AND value of A2 B2, A2 and B2 is 1, or B2 and C2 is 1, and C2 and A2 is 1. So all are 1, so we have carry 1. So this carry is generated propagated to the next stage. Now in this stage what we have to do is we have to add 1 plus 0 plus 1. So 1 exclusive or 0 exclusive or 1 is 0, and value is 1, and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, and 1, the C3 and A3 is 1. So final carry is 1. So what we get finally is 1 0 1 0 1. And if you verify it mathematically, so first number is all ones, that is 1 2 4 8, 8 4 12 15. So we have 15 plus 6 is 21, and what finally we get is 1 0 1 0 1. So we have 1 2 4 8 16. So we have 16, and this is 4. 16 plus 4 20 plus 1 21. So you can, so this circuit is working very fine, where you see that we added 15 plus 6, it comes out to be 21, and we also verified in terms of bits. So this is a 4-bit serial adder. Now we have made some changes in this circuit, and it becomes an adder subtractor. So what are the changes that we have made? You can easily depict. So we are giving the number A as A0, A1, A2, A3 directly, but the different bits of number B, that is all 4 bits, are being given through an exclusive OR gate. So here we are making use of this exclusive OR gate, because we know that when this any input is exclusively ORed with 0, we get the same value, but any value which is being exclusively ORed with 1, we get complement of that value. So again we'll focus on what is the major changes that we have done from this circuit to this circuit. Is we are giving the 4 bits of number B through an exclusive OR gate, and we have one of the inputs of exclusively gate are shorted to this switch, and this input is also being given to the carry input of first full adder. So these are the changes that we have made, and with these changes this whole circuit is converted into a 4-bit serial adder subtractor. So we have to keep it one thing in mind, that this is the switch. When this switch is 0, here it is written, when this switch is 0, this whole circuit will act as an adder, but when switch is 1, this whole circuit will act as a subtractor. Now we'll discuss in detail. So here the switch S is 0, so this whole will act as a adder. So you can see over here, when this S is 0, so since this input is being shorted to this switch and this is also 0, so we have 0 over here, 0 over here, 0 over here, 0 over here. And I have already told you, in an exclusive OR gate, when this B0 is exclusively ORed with 0, at the output we again get B0. That if it is 0, we'll get 0. If it is 1, we'll get 1. Similarly, when B1 is exclusively ORed with 0, we get B1. When B2 is exclusively ORed with 0, we get B2. And when B3 is exclusively ORed with 0, we get B3. So now the same conditions are prevailing over here. What are prevailing at in this circuit that we discussed. So we have A0, B0, A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3. So the same conditions came after this exclusive OR. So nothing is changed. So when S is 0, so what is important is when S is 0, whatever we are giving at B0, B1, B2, B3 will appear at this output as B0, B1, B2, B3, and then this whole circuit will work as an 4-bit adder as we have discussed in the first slide. So this is the same example we have given. So again we can discuss in brief. So we have in the first stage we have as input bits as A0 is 1, B0 is 0 and carry is 0. So we have to add 1 plus 0 plus 0. An exclusive value of 1, 0, 0 is 1. So sum is 1. And the AND value of all three combination as A0 and B0, B0 and C0 and C0 and A0 will be 0. So we have carry 0. Similarly, what is coming at these inputs are 1, 1 and carry generated from previous stage is 0, which is forwarded on to the next stage. So we have to add 1 plus 1 plus 0. So exclusive OR value of 1, 1 and 0 is 0, and AND value of 1 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 0, and 0 and 1 is 1. So finally AND value is 1. So carry as 1 is being generated in this stage and propagated onto the next stage. So it is working as a normal 4-bit serial adder. Now let us discuss this very important slide where this whole configuration is acting as a subtractor. Although we are performing the process of addition, but what we get the results of a subtractor. So this is very important to understand here. The switch is being moved to 1. So this whole circuit is became a 4-bit serial subtractor. So you can see this 4-bit serial adder subtractor is working as a subtractor. So first of all, let us see when this switch is moved to 1. So now we have this input is 1, this input is also 1, this input is also 1, this input is also 1. So as I have already told you, when this B0 is exclusively ORed with 1, we get complement value of this. So input is 0, as a complement we are getting 1. Again, when B1 is 1, what we get at the output is B1 complement. So 1 is became 0. When B2 is 1, through this exclusive OR gate we get a complement value. So from 1 we get 0, and this 0 value is turned into 1 as complement because this is being exclusively ORed with 1. So now, there is no change in the values of A. So we have A3 is 1, A2 is 1, A1 is 1 and A0 is 1. But initially at the number B was 0 1 1 0, but as a complement what we get is 1 0 0 1. Now before going into more detail, let us see a very important concept that is being implemented through this 4-bit serial adder subtractor. What we are doing, since the switch is made is put at 1, so what the first step is, we are calculating the ones complement of number B, and we are adding 1 in the first stage of a full adder. So what is being processed out is A plus 1's complement of B plus 1. How 1's complement of B? Because we are performing this operation of exclusively ORing each bit of number B with 1. So by doing this we are calculating the 1's complement. So 1's complement of B through this exclusive OR gates, and we are adding 1 in this first stage. So plus 1. Now we know that I have already discussed that 1's complement of B plus 1 is nothing but 2's complement. So what we are doing, we are calculating this a plus 2's complement of b. And what is 2's complement of b is a method of putting or representing this number in as negation. So this is a plus of minus b, which is equal to a minus b. So ultimately what is being performed is a minus b. So this is very important concept that is being implemented through this circuit. So now the rest process is same. So first what we are doing, we are just adding the 2's complement of number b with a. So that is equivalent to a minus b. So rest process is same. So now in the first stage we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is, so exclusive or value of 1 and 1 in 1 is 1, and AND value will also be 1. So we have sum as 1 and carry 1 is propagated onto the next stage. Now what we have to do is we have to add 1 plus 0 plus 1. So exclusive or value of 1 0 1 is 0, and AND value will be 1 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, and 1 and 1 is 1. So finally we get a 1 as carry, which is being propagated on to the next stage. Now in this stage what is added is 1 plus 0 plus 1. So exclusive or value 1 0 1 is 0, and AND value is 1 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, and 1 and 1 is again 1. So a carry is generated in this stage and propagated on to the next stage, and now we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. So exclusive or value 1 1 1 is 1, and AND value is also 1. So finally what we get is 1 1 0 0 1. So now you can again mathematically verify what we are doing. We have a as 15, and you calculated 1's complement of b. What b was is 0 1 1 0. So 0 1 1 0 was 6. So 15 minus 6, what you get is 9. So how 9 can be represented as 1 0 0 1? So you are getting the same result, 1 0 0 1, and this final carry is being discarded in this process, and this is an indication, this carry is an indication that a lower magnitude is being subtracted from the higher magnitude. So in that case the final carry is being rejected. So we focus on this final result 1 0 0 1, which is nothing but 9, and when 15 minus 6 is 9. So you can very easily understand how this whole circuit is working as a 4-bit serial subtractor through the process of addition. So this is very important. Thank you.